Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up Galaxy Enhance X on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Galaxy Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app. Then tap on Open. From here, just select Skip and enable this toggle. After that, just go back and give this app this permission. Now to use Galaxy Enhance X, first of all, just tap on select picture or video. Now just select any picture or any video from your gallery app. Now first of all, it will give you a few suggestions to edit your photo. For example, you have the option of Magic, and once you select Magic, it will use Galaxy AI to edit your photo. Now for an example, it has edited this photo. And as you can see, this is a before and after of this image. Now, as you can see, it has sharpened the image and reduced the noise in this image. Now, after Magic, you have the option of remove reflections. And once you select this option, it will remove all the reflections from your photo. Now, after that, you have the option of increase resolution. And from here, you can select how much you want to increase the resolution of your image. You have the option of 1x and 2x. For now, I will select 2x. Now just tap on done. As you can see, it has increased the resolution of our image. Now this is a before and after. Now after that, you have the option of color tone. And from here, you can change the color tone of your image. For an example, you can increase or decrease the brightness of your image. You can increase or decrease the HDR of your image. And also you have the option to colorize an image. Now if I select a black and white image, now if I select colorize, it will colorize this black and white image. As you can see, this is before and this is after. Now in quick fixes, you have the option to remove blur, and once you select this option, it will remove the blur effect from your image. As you can see, it has removed the blur from the shirt of this image. And you also have the option of sharpen, and once you select this option, it will sharpen your image. And also you have the option of remove shadows, and it will remove the shadows from your image. They also have the option of remove reflections, and it will remove the reflections from your image. And you also have the option of fix moire, remove haze, and fix lens distortion. Now, after quick fixes, you have the option of people, and from here you can edit the facial features of your image. Now, if you tap on face, you can smoothen your face. And also you have the option of tone, and from here you can change the tone of your skin. Now, after tone, you have the option of eyes, and from here you can increase the size of your eyes. Just like that. And also you can decrease the size of your jawline. Just like that. Now after face, you have the option of portrait. And if you select this image, it will give a blur effect to the background. Now this image was already blurred, but it has increased the blur effect in the background. As you can see, this is a before and after. Now after people, you have the option of transform, and from here you can crop your image. You can flip your image from here. You can rotate it by tapping on this button. And if you tap on this icon, you can change the aspect ratio of your image. Just like that. Now lastly, we have the option of creative. Now for this, I will select another image. For example, I will select this image. Now if you tap on creative, first of all, you have the option of 24-hour time lapse. Now, if you select this image, it will create a 24-hour time-lapse of your image. Now, as you can see, it has created a 24-hour time-lapse of our image. Just like that. Now, after that, you have the option of single take. Now, this option only works with live motion photos. Now, if you have a live motion photo, it will create a single take of your image. Now, after that, you have the option of sky guide. Now, for this, I will select another image. Now, from here, if you go to creative, and from here, if you tap on sky guide, it will show you the name of the stars in your image. Just like that. Now, if you cannot find the sky guide option, just go back, and from here, just swipe up from the downloadable features. And from here, you will find the option to install Sky Guide on your Galaxy Enhance X. And from here, you can also install other features like camera shift and speed shuffle. And this is how you can set up Galaxy Enhance X on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.